Hi friends, నేను సాయిరామ్. వెల్కమ్ టు మై యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ MSR క్లాసెస్. SBI Clerk prelims level word problems డిస్కస్ చేస్తున్నాం. This is the third session. Session 3. Question number 61 to 90. Right? Questions PDFs కావాలి అనుకుంటే కనుక టెలిగ్రామ్ ఛానల్ MSR classes YT MSR classes YT and Telegram channel lo join avandi so that you can access the PDFs, right? This is the third session. Okay, so questions lo velpadam. First question of this session, question number 61. 12 men can complete a work in 8 days. 16 women can complete the same work in 12 days, right? 12 men can complete the piece of work in 8 days. 16 women can complete the piece of work in 12 days, right? 12 men is to women is 2 is to 1. Done. 8 2 times. Men is to 1. Women. Total work is 12 2 times 24, 24 8 times, 24 4 times 96, 192. 192 is the total work. Next, 8 men and 8 women started working and worked for 6 days, right? How many more men are added to complete the remaining work in a day, right? ఇంకా 1 day లో రిమైనింగ్ వర్క్ కంప్లీట్ అయిపోవాలట. అంటే 8 women ఇక్కడ ఒక 6 days, ఇక్కడ ఒక 1 day, అంటే టోటల్ 7 days వర్క్ చేస్తున్నారు. అంటే ఉమెన్ కంప్లీట్ చేసిన వర్క్ 7 days, 8 women with an efficiency of 1 unit. 7 8 times 56 units. అలాగే ఈ 8 men 6 days లో కంప్లీట్ చేసిన వర్క్, మెన్ 8 days 6 days లో 8 men with an efficiency of 2 units. 48 2 times 96. అంటే రిమైనింగ్ వర్క్ ఎంత? టోటల్ వర్క్ 192 minus 152, correct? Yes, 152. Remaining work is 40. ఇప్పుడు నా వర్క్ 1 day లో కంప్లీట్ అవ్వాలి. టోటల్ వర్క్ 40. నా దగ్గర ఆల్రెడీ 8 men ఉన్నారు, ఇంకా అడిషనల్ men రావాలి. A with an efficiency of 2 units. 20 A is equal to 12. 12 additional men. Third option is the final answer for this question. Done. Yes, next question. The average of PQR is 27 and the average of QRS is 24. The value of S is 2/3 that of, ante P is to S is equal to 3 is to 2 చెప్తున్నారు. Average is ante difference P minus Q, right? 3 తగ్గింది out of 3 numbers అంటే 9. సారీ, P minus S 3 numbers మీద 3 తగ్గింది. 3 numbers మీద 3 తగ్గింది అంటే డిఫరెన్స్ 9 వస్తుంది, రైట్? S P minus S is equal to 9. What is the value of S? Total difference 1 part value 9 అయితే S 2 parts 18. 18 is my final answer. Fifth option is the correct answer for this question. Done. Next question. The sum of 3 numbers is, the ratio of first and second numbers is, and the second and third numbers is, Then 7 తో మల్టిప్లై చేద్దాం, 3 తో మల్టిప్లై చేద్దాం. 35 21 9. టోటల్ 65 parts వాల్యూ నాకు 65 చెప్తున్నారు. Then mid second number 21. Third option is the final answer. Done. Yes. A certain sum of money amounts to, in 5 years 4%. In how many years it will amount to, right? 5%, 5 years 4% అంటే 5 4 times 20. 120% value 4800 చెప్తున్నారు. అంటే 16,000 ఎంత పర్సెంటేజ్? 0 0 12 4 times 4800 400 times. And 400 percentage is the amount is 400 percentage. And simple interest is 300 percentage. That in how many years and at the same rate 4 percentage. Time is equal to 300 upon 4 percentage, which is 75 years. 75 years is the final answer. Fifth option is the correct answer for this question. And amount 400 ante simple interest 300 is simple interest percentage ante time period into rate of interest. Simple interest percentage 300 తెలుసు, time period find out చేయాలి, rate of percentage 4. Then 75 years is the final answer. A committee of 5 members is going to be formed from 3 trainees, 4 professors, 6 researchers. How many ways that can be selected? అంటే selection గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. Okay, if there are 2 trainees and 3 researchers associate, 2 trainees 3 లో నుంచి 2 members ని select చేయాలట, and 3 researchers 6 లో నుంచి 3 select చేయాలి. 6C3 3C2 అంటే 3, 6C3 అంటే 6 into divide 4 into 5 20, correct. Divided by లో 6 ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి 6 తీసేసాను, 4 5 times 20, 60 is my final answer. Third option is the correct answer for this question. Done. Next question. A trader sold an article for 900 at a gain of 120 percentage value 900 అని చెప్తున్నారు. 100 percentage would be 2 5 times 2 6 times 6 150 times 17 5 times 750. Done. Yes. And some other article 936 at a loss of 94 percentage value 936.20 చెప్తున్నారు approximately. So 940 అనుకుంటున్నా, ఈ వాల్యూని 940 అనుకుంటున్నా, అంటే 100 percentage value నాకు 1000. Then అంటే కాస్ట్ ప్రైజెస్, టోటల్ కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ 1750, total selling price 900 1840 1850 అనుకున్నాను, right? So 100 out of 1750 into 100. Done. 0 7 times 4 times 40 upon 7 5 times 35, right? So ఇది 90 అనుకుంటే 9 4 times 36 1840 ఇలాగే ఉంచేస్తే 9 4 times 36 upon 7 approximately 5 percentage profit. 5 percentage profit. Fourth option is the final answer. Done. Yes. Next question. At present, age of son is to father 3:8. Done. If 12 years ago there's some of their ages is అంటే sum plus father, 12 years ago 42 అంటే ఇంకో 24 యాడ్ చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది, which is 66. 11 parts 66 అయితే నన్ను అడిగింది present age of father 8 parts 8 6 times 48. The second option is the final answer for this question. Done. Next question. Rice worth 84 per kg mixed with respective ratio if the mixture is allegation వేసేయచ్చు, right? 84 చెప్తున్నారు, సెకండ్ వెరైటీ ఎంతో తెలియదు, మిక్స్చర్ కాస్ట్ 92 రూపీస్ చెప్తున్నారు, and they are mixed in the ratio 4:1. ఇక్కడ డిఫరెన్స్ వచ్చేసి నాకు 8, 1 part 8 అయితే 4 parts 32 plus 124. Fifth option is the final answer for this question. Done. Yes. Next question. The simple interest on certain sum 5% 6 years amounts to, right? After what rate of, at what rate of interest same can be received same sum of after 2 years, right? అదే అదే అమౌంట్ ఇదే అమౌంట్ ఎన్ని ఇయర్స్ తర్వాత సేమ్ సమ్ ఆఫ్టర్ 2 ఇయర్స్ రేట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ అడుగుతున్నారు. అసలు ఫస్ట్ రేట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఎంత వచ్చింది? 30%, రైట్? ఈ 30% నాకు 2 ఇయర్స్లో కావాలట, అంటే 15% రావాలి పర్ ఇయర్, రైట్? ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ ఇస్ ద ఫైనల్ ఆన్సర్. ఫస్ట్ 5% 6 ఇయర్స్ అంటే సింపుల్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నారు కాబట్టి డైరెక్ట్ 5 6 టైమ్స్ 30%. ఈసారి 30% నాకు 2 ఇయర్స్లోనే రావాలట, అంటే పర్ ఇయర్ 15% వస్తే సరిపోతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. Tanya traveled a distance of 40 kilometers in 8 hours. అంటే average speed 5 kmph. Then she traveled this distance partly on foot by and on bicycle. What is the distance traveled, right? Yes, allegation మాట్లాడొచ్చు 3 7 average 5, which is 2:2 1:1 20 20. Fourth option is the final answer. Then next one, the ratio of quantity of alcohol 48 liters is water to alcohol is to water చెప్తున్నారు 5:7. Then how much water must be added? వాటర్ యాడ్ చేస్తున్నారు అంటే ఆల్కహాల్లో చేంజ్ రాకూడదు. Water to alcohol in the resultant becomes water to alcohol, alcohol to water 5:9. 2 parts increment. Already 12 parts value నాకు చెప్పేశారు 48. How much water? 2 parts value 8 liters. Option B is the final answer for this question. Done? Yes. Next question. An article is sold at a price of, అంటే cost price to selling price ratio 8:11. Then a discount of 10% is offered. అంటే మార్కెట్ ప్రైస్ గురించి చెప్తున్నారు 9:10. So 9 11 8 9 times 72 99 1. Then if the market price of the article is 110, parts value 550 చెప్తున్నారు, then profit earned on the article difference is 17, correct? 17 5 times 17 and 27 5 times 235 135. 17 27 5 times 135. Done. Next question. The average cost price of 3 books is, if the cost prices are given in the ratio, right? Average చెప్తున్నారు కాబట్టి 15 out by 3, parts value 500 అని చెప్తున్నారు, right? Then what is the sum of price of dearer and cheaper book? Dearer and cheaper అంటే maximum price less price 6 and 4. 10 parts value అడుగుతున్నారు, right? 5 3 times 5 2 times 3 3 gets cancelled. 1000 is my final answer. Second option is the correct answer. Done. Next question. The width of a rectangular path is 4 meters less than its length. Length L అనుకుంటే L minus 4. Done. The cost of fencing the rectangular path is, done. Fencing అంటే పెరిమీటర్ గురించి మాట్లాడాలి. 2 into L plus L minus 4 5 times చేస్తే నాకు 360 రావాలట, రైట్? 2 5 times 10 0. 2L value 40, L is equal to 20 అంటే breadth 16. Done. Then find its area. Area 20 into 16 320. Option E is the final answer for this question. Done. Next question. Amit started a business with an investment of 25,000. After 8 months, Vijay joined with an investment of 10,000 more. Investment made by Amit, right? If the total profit earned at then Vijay's profit, right? 25, 35. అంటే Amit to Vijay is 25 and 35, right? 5 times for total 1.5 year అంటే 12 plus 6 24 months, 12 plus 6 18 months, sorry, right? Next, after 8 months అంటే 10 months involve అయి ఉన్నారు, 7 for 10 months, correct? Amit to Vijay is 5 2 times 2 9 times 9 is to 7, total 16 parts value చెప్తున్నారు 20800. Vijay's profit 7 parts, 16 1 time 16, 48 3 times 13 7 times 9100. 9100. Option C is the final answer for this question. Done. Next question. Rupees 5,000 is invested in scheme A for 3 years, compound interest 10%. Rupees 5,000 invested B, compound interest 10%. Find the difference between the amounts received. Right? Rendu compound interest le 3 years 10% ante 33.1%. 2 years 10% ante 21%. Done. నాకు కావాల్సిన 12.1%, ఎందుకంటే సేమ్ అమౌంట్ ఇన్వెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు కాబట్టి 12.1% ఆఫ్ 5,000, 121 5 times 605. 605. Option B is the final answer for this question. Done. The speed of boat is stream is 40% of M is to S, 5 is to 2. Done. If the speed of stream is 4 kmph, S is 4 అయితే M is 10. Done. Then find the difference between the time taken by the boat to travel to cover 35 kilometers downstream, 35 upon 14, and 21 kilometers upstream. Upstream means 6. Total time is 2 7 2 times 7 5 times 3 7 times 3 2 times 5 plus 6 hours. Done. Together. And the time taken 30 kilometers upstream, 30 kilometers upstream and 98 kilometers downstream. Done. 6 5 times 14 7 times 12. The difference adugutunnaru 6 kmph. Option D is the final answer. Done. Yes. Next question. 3 years ago from now, the ratio of ages of 4 is to 5. Then 3 years hence from now, the ratio is 6 is to 7, right? Yes, 2 parts value నాకు 6 years చెప్తున్నారు. Done. Then find the sum of percentages. 9 parts value 9 3 times 27. అది ఎప్పుడు 3 years ago. 3 years ago their sum is, then find the sum of present ages. Wait. 2 3 times 9 3 times. Done. ఇంకొక 6 years యాడ్ అవుతుంది, 27కి ఇంకొక 6 years యాడ్ అవుతుంది, 33 years. Option E is the final answer. Done. Done. Next question. 16 men working 6 hours a day can complete 20 days. 16 men 6 hours 20 days. If the number of men had been twice until 32 and they work only 4 hours, then in how many days the work is completed? Right? 16 2 times, 4 5 times, 2 3 times. A 15 days. Option D is the final answer. Done. P P is 400% more than that of Q. P is to Q is P is 400% more, which is Q is 200% more than that of R. 3:1. PQR is in the ratio 15, 3 and 1. 60% of P is okay. 6 1 times 6, 21, 6 3 times 18, 6 5 times 30, 1350 is the total value, 100% of P. 15 parts value 1350 aithe, then find the sum of Q and R. Q and R is 4 parts. 4 parts is 15, 9 times 360 is the final answer. 360, option A is the correct answer for this question. Done. Next question. Raju invested the same amount in scheme B, scheme for D years, 3% 3D simple interest. Then the interest 75% of the invested amount. The interest is 75% of the invested amount. Then what is the value of D? Right. Simple interest 75% చెప్తున్నారు. Right. Principal 100p, D years 3D time period upon 100. Simple interest is equal to PTR by 100. 100 gets cancelled. 325 times D square is 25. D value 5. D is 5. Option D is the correct answer for this question. Done. Next question. Out of the total students, 55% went for picnic and the remaining did not go. And 45% did not go. The number of students who went is for picnic is 36 more than those who do not went. How many students are there? And 10% value naku 36 చెప్తున్నారు, 100% 360. Option C is the final answer for this question. Done. 2020 match is played between Australia and England. Australia had run 8.4 runs per over. Then what is the score of England when 8 overs are left and the required run rate is 9 per over? Right? 8.4 overs required run rate. Ante 20 overs lo 8.4 ante 168 runs is the target. Alage 8 overs undaga 9 runs అంటే 8 overs కి 9 per over కొట్టాలి అంటే 72 runs కొట్టాలి. What is the score of England when 8 overs are left? Score is difference is 96. 96. Option B is the correct answer for this question. Done. Next question. The area of a square is 20 centimeters less than that of area of a rectangle of breadth. If the perimeter of a square is 4a value 48 చెప్తున్నారు, which means a12 a square 144 length into breadth is 164. Breadth value already నాకు 8 చెప్తున్నారు, which is 20.5. Length is 20.5. Then find the perimeter of the rectangle. Perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B, 28.5, which is 57. 57. Option B is the final answer for this question. Done. Next question. Speeds of two cars are in the ratio respectively and each of them traveled. If the total time taken, then find the speed of slower car. Right, 300 kilometers with 3a, alage 300 kilometers with 4a speed to velte total time 7 hours. Right, 300 times 4, 75 times 7a 175 aithe 25. A value 25. Done. 2 times 14, 35. Yes. A value 25. Slower car ante 3a find out cheyali, which is 75 kmph. Option B is the final answer for this question. Done. Working 3 hours a day, 12 men completed 16 days. 3, 12, 16. 3 more men joined. అంటే ఇనిషియల్ గా 12 ఉన్నారు, ఇప్పుడు 15 అయ్యారు. All of them 2 hours a day. 2 hours a day. Then in how many days? In how many days? Right, 3, 5 times 5, 2 times 10 divided by 10. A is equal to 12 into 16. 16, 10 times 160 plus 32. 192, 19.2 days. 19.2 days. Option A is the final answer. Done. Next question. Ashok is 9 years older than Jitu and Ritu is, and the ratio of Jitu 1 year ago and at that time is, right. 1 year ago ratio చెప్తున్నారు, difference 3 parts value, 9 years. 1 year ago Ashok 1 part which is 3 years. Next Jitu 1 year ago 4 parts which is 4 3 times 12, right. What is the average age of after 4 years? 1 year ago average is 3 plus 12, 15, 7.5. 1 year ago నాకు కావాల్సింది ఆఫ్టర్ 4 years అంటే దీనికి ఇంకొక 5 యాడ్ చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది, which is 12.5. Option A is the final answer for this question. Done. Next question. A shopkeeper mixes sugar worth 350 kg P in the ratio. If the mixture is allegation, simple allegation 350 A 405. Ratio 4:5. 55. This is 44. 445 is the final answer. 449. Sorry, 449. 449. Option C is the final answer for this question. Done. Done. Next question. Kamal started a business with Naman with investments. Okay. In ratio of profits, find how many Kamal left. Right. Kamal and Naman ఇద్దరు గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. ఒకళ్ళు 12,000, ఒకళ్ళు 8,000 ఇట. అంటే రేషియో ఈజ్ 3:4. Then ఎవరు లెఫ్ట్ అయ్యారు? కమల్ లెఫ్ట్ అయ్యారు. ఏ మంత్స్ తర్వాత లెఫ్ట్ అయ్యారు అనుకున్నా ఈ పర్సన్ 12 months ఉన్నారు. రేషియో ఈజ్ 5:4. 4 gets cancelled. 3 4 times. A 10. After 10 months Naman left. Option B is the final answer for this question. Done. Next question. An item is sold 16% discount on the market price and profit earned on selling price. If the selling price is, what is the markup percentage? Then 84% value నాకు 1470 చెప్తున్నారు. 16% discount అంటే మార్కెట్ ప్రైస్ 100% is 421 times 425 times 21 7 times 725 times 1750. This is the market price. So cost price is profit వచ్చిందని చెప్తున్నారు కాబట్టి 220 rupees. 1470 selling price minus profit 220 which is 1250. Markup percentage అడుగుతున్నారు 500 out of 1250 into 100. Then 0 gets cancelled. 5 25 times 25 4 times 40% is the markup percentage. Option B is the final answer for this question. Done. Yes. So here ends the session. నా ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ కనుక నచ్చితే ప్లీజ్ ఈ వీడియోని లైక్ చేయండి, అలాగే మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్తో షేర్ చేయండి. రైట్. నెక్స్ట్ వీడియో అప్డేట్స్ కోసం కంపల్సరీగా నా ఛానల్ అయితే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకొని ఉంచుకోండి. All the best for your exams. Thanks for watching. Thank you.